Hello everyone. Thank you for joining my civil channel. Today my plan to speak about workspace. Workspace is one of the main important thing in AutoCAD, which you need to know how to customize it, how to do the setting and all this thing. Workspace can be accessed from two places. One from the status toolbars, which is this one called status toolbars. You can see the workspace, and also from the quick setting. We'll go from the quick setting. The first option which you have is the drafting and annotation. The drafting as annotation is the 2D one which has already been set as our default, which is the best option. Then the second one, we have the 3D basics. The 3D basics, as you can see, the ribbon been changed to the 3D model. For a basic 3D design, we use the 3D basic. The next one, we have the 3D modeling. The 3D modeling, for more professional design 3D modeling, we use the 3D modeling. So basically different between the 3D basic and 3D modeling. For the professional way, we use the 3D modeling. As you can see, it's completely ribbon, all been changed. Then after that, we have the save current as. I will explain this one to you. Let's return back to the drafting annotation, because now we want to work in a 2D dimension. Save current as. You can save your workspace as whatever you want. For example, if I want to drag down the draw here at the left, and I want to use the annotation at the right top, or whatever you want it, you want to make any changes, you make it, then you go as a save current as, then you use the whatever name you want to give it. For example, we give as. Then we save it. So this channel, this workspace is been added to our menu, as you can see. If you return back to drafting annotation, it will not be there. So you can add your workspace as you want, as whatever you want, whatever comfortable for you. Then you have workspace setting. From here you can remove, add or delete. For example, if you want to delete this one, just move the cursor, then press the OK. Then as you can see, it's been removed. But if you want to remove it permanently, you just go to customize. From customize, you can customize your channel whatever you want. Also, you can remove it permanently. For example, if you want to remove this one permanently, just press it, right click on that one, and then delete option. It's been removed permanently. Or you can change the ribbon line, whatever you wanted, you can customize as per your comfort. Then press OK, and that's it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe.